Anne from Comply FDA here to review the Q4 2025 Pharmaceutical Insider Intelligence Report. The major citation categories summarized as 1. Drug device citations. Pharmaceuticals account for nearly 3/4 of all citations. 2. Total device citations. Manufacturing quality CGMP represents the majority of device failures, dwarfing clinical and packaging concerns. 3. CGMP category total. Failures in quality procedures cause over half of all CGMP citations, pointing to systemic weaknesses in procedural discipline. 4. Packaging clinical category. High volumes of website-related citations underscore the significant regulatory risk associated with digital marketing. 5. Top 8 device subsystems. Design controls emerged as the most problematic subsystem, suggesting development phases are the industry's most frequent point of failure. 6. Record subsystem. The device history record, DHR, is the most cited area, indicating difficulty in maintaining an accurate trace of the production process. 7. Production process controls. Process validation is the leading cause of citations, as manufacturers struggle to prove processes consistently produce compliant results. 8. Device subparts 1. The dominance of design controls identifies the transition from design to manufacturing as a major compliance hurdle. 9. Device subparts 2. Process validation and production controls account for nearly 70% of citations in these subparts, reflecting the FDA's focus on manufacturing stability. 10. Clinical activity trend. Clinical citations are rare and episodic. 11. Critical subsystems. Design controls and corrective and preventive actions are the two primary pillars of risk, measuring a firm's ability to design safe products and fix failures. Clarity, confidence, compliance. Start with a complaint process baseline compliance assessment and take the guesswork out of regulatory readiness. To receive the full report with all warning letter links for the report period, visit www.complyfda.com.